Namaste Voyagers, and welcome to our practice today, which is a practice that is called balancing yourself. You can take this practice whenever you feel the need, the necessity to find more balance within you, whenever you feel that you are too much in the outside world and it's hard for you to come within your body to ground and to connect to yourself. When you are ready, I invite you to find a comfortable seated position, and let's practice together. I invite you to close your eyes if that feels good for you, to come to your breath, to observe the natural rhythm of the breath, the inhale and the exhale, and to observe how the breath comes and the breath goes, inhale and exhale. And to bring forward your intention for your practice today. So maybe your intention can be something like, I am balanced, I am aligned, I am at peace, or whatever works for you. And repeat that 3 times with feeling and awareness. And then very slowly start to circle the shoulders. A circle other direction. And then gently release. And bring your hands to the earth. Take a moment to connect the earth beneath you. As you inhale, right arm rises. As you exhale, stretch sideways. Gaze up, breathe. And here gently you can pulse. Inhaling and exhaling. And coming back up, inhale, exhale, lower. Other side, inhale, exhale, and stretch here. And again, gently, if that works, pulse. And inhale up, and exhale, lower down. Right arm up, inhale, bend your elbow, bring your hand to the side of your head, and very gently pull your head towards the right shoulder. Make sure that your left shoulder is relaxed, gently pull, breathe here. And I'm going to bring your left hand and bring it onto your right ribs. And very gently pull the ribs towards the left side. So you have your hand pulling very gently your head towards the right and your hands towards the left. And you can gaze up towards the ceiling if that's okay for you. As you are here, breathe deeply. And then very gently release your arms and observe how that feels. With your next inhale, left arm up. As you exhale, bend your elbow, your hand comes over your head, and very gently going to pull your head to the left side. Relax your right shoulder. Now bring your right hand to the ribs. Gently pull the ribs towards the right side. Breathing here, and again gaze up. Keep the breath going. Try not to hold your breath. Maybe you can relax your jawbone. Breathe here. And then very gently release your hands, and taking a moment to relax your shoulders, maybe close your eyes. Observe how this feels. Observe if there were any shifts within your body. And now very slowly from here, we're coming on all fours. Press the earth away and take a moment to connect to the land, to the ground beneath you. Press the top of your feet into the earth. Gaze in between your hands or maybe a bit further forward. We're going to inhale here, and as you exhale, going to very gently turn your gaze. So gaze towards your right side, towards your right heel. Breathe here. Hold the pose, and you would feel a stretch into the left side of your body. Keep gazing back, keep tuning into the earth. Feel the ground, feel the support of the ground beneath you here. And then inhale, come back to center. And as you exhale, turn your gaze towards the other side. Gaze towards your left heel. Keep the breath going. Feeling into the earth. And then inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, take your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms and bring the forehead down to the ground. Connecting to the earth. And very slowly from here, slide your hands. And as you slide your hands, feel into the texture of your mat. And then bring your hands towards your thighs and feel into your thighs, slightly press. And then lift up onto your knees, bring your hands on your lower back and gently arch. Take your shoulders back, breathe, observe how it feels to be here. And then very slowly, bringing your hips back to your heels, slide your hands forward onto your mat, coming back into a child pose. Forehead down. And as you inhale, slide your hands back to your knees, to your thighs, coming back up. Bring your hands on your lower back, gently arch. Breathe. Feel into your heart expanding. Breathe into any tightness. And then as you exhale, gently bring your hips back to your heels here. Release your arms, take your hands to the ground, connect to the earth beneath you here. And as you inhale, right arm rises, exhale, stretch sideways. Inhale up, and exhale lower, and other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, and exhale lower. And take your hands together, rub them. Feel the heat in between your hands. Then place your hands on your eyes, cover your eyes. Taking some deep breaths here, maybe sighing out. And then release, place your hands on your heart. Observe, how does it feel to take this short practice intended to balance you. Do you feel more balanced? Do you feel more aligned? Maybe calmer, more at ease? Well, I hope it helped. Thank you so much for being here today. Namaste.